If you want to send different emails based on user behavior, like clicks, page visits, or form submissions, this is the fastest, simplest tutorial to help you get it done. Stick around because I've tested all the most popular platforms, and I'll show you the exact steps using the software I personally recommend. And yes, there's an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel linked below if you want to follow along. Let's get right into it. First, you need a platform that supports behavior-based automation. Most CRMs say they can do this, but some are clunky, slow, or just overly complicated. The software we'll be using makes it stupid simple. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the Automations tab, or Workflows, depending on the layout. Step 1. Choose your trigger. This is what starts the sequence. It could be something like user clicks a link in an email, visits a pricing page, or abandons a cart. You're telling the software, if this happens, start this automation. Now, step 2 is where you decide what happens next. This is where you send different emails based on what the user actually does. For example, if they clicked a link about feature A, you might send them an email sequence focused entirely on feature A benefits. But if they visited your pricing page and didn't buy, you might send a completely different series, maybe highlighting testimonials, case studies, or offering a discount. Step 3. Add conditional logic. Look for a step that says something like if-else, conditions, or branching. This is where you say, if the user does X, send email A. If they don't, send email B. This is the core of behavior-based emails, and the software we're using makes this visual and super easy to test. Make sure to add wait steps between actions. If someone visits a page, you probably don't want to email them 30 seconds later. Add a delay of a few hours or a day so the follow-up feels natural and not robotic. After setting the branches, customize each email with dynamic content. Use their name, refer to the specific behavior they did, and speak directly to that interest. That's what turns generic emails into high-converting ones. Before you turn on your workflow, always test it with a dummy contact. Run through each branch to make sure the logic works, the right email send, and the timing feels natural. And that's it. You've just set up a behavior-based email automation system that sends the right message to the right person at the right time, all without writing a single line of code. The key takeaway? Don't send one-size-fits-all emails. If you send different emails based on user behavior, your engagement and conversions will go way up. It's smarter marketing, and now you know exactly how to do it. Quick recap. Choose your trigger, set up conditions, use branching logic, personalize your emails, and always test the flow before going live. If you want to try the exact software I used in this tutorial, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only for viewers of my channel and gives you full access to everything we used here. Thanks for watching. Now go automate smarter.